This is a demonstration of how to use the STcube data loader in Glue. This allows use internally of the Cube data object and also allows more access to the information in a multi-extension FIS file. So let's first open up a Cube file. Here we'll use Muse dataset. We select the file, and then in the files of type we choose STcube, and then we open it. And after reading in the data set, it should appear under the data collection pane as a data set. And for all intents and purposes, this is now a data set as any other data set read into Glue, so we can open it in an image viewer. And since it's a cube, we can scroll along the different layers, or take a spectral extraction if we wished. Now, if we open a data set that has more extensions in it than just the cube, we will pick Khalifa. We again choose the file, choose STcube, and open. And in this case, there are more extensions than just constitute the cube, so it's going to ask whether we want to combine them into one data set, and for convenience sake, we will choose this. And now again, we can just display the image. But since it's read in extra data sets, we can go into the plot options and choose which set, either the native cube or with this data set there are two other extra extensions which we can choose and view as necessary. And then finally we can read in a data set that has many different types of extensions. So I'll choose this one. Again, choose STcube. And here we see in the data collection that it's created 4 separate data objects. The first one is, as always, our data cube, which we can confirm by looking at the attribute. Again, we can scrub through it. We also notice that there is an extension here that has the name but with a shape to it. In this particular data set, there are a number of different extensions that are just an image. And so we can read those in and display them. And since these images, these are not cube, but just two-dimensional images, since there's many extensions, the extensions are read into their own separate attributes, which we can choose which one we wish to use. This data set also contains a one-dimensional extension, as you can see by the shape of being only a simple extension, which if we wish to display, can use the scatter plot display. And then finally, we notice that there's this one data set that has a name attached to it. This, in the FITS file, was a table extension, and this is read into Glue as the basic name of the data with the extension name appended and the number of rows found in the table. And here, if we try to view it, we will see that we have an extra viewer that appears called binary table, of which we can choose that. And then we have a table viewer. Into that table.